Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina if you are new here, and today's video is just some cleaning motivation. On this day I was watching my husband's sister's 3 kids, so I had quite a mess to pick up after. I did not want them to worry about helping because they did look like they were having so much fun, but I started by cleaning the table from breakfast and clean the counter and get all the dishes washed.
That's not okay.
To clean the stove, I am using the Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose spray in honeysuckle. I will list all my cleaning products down below, but I usually use the method degreaser, but my stove was not too dirty since I did not have to make dinner last night. My sister-in-law brought pizza, so I am just cleaning up this morning's breakfast mess. So this is actually the next day. I wanted to spend the rest of the day with the kids before they went home. So I'm just going to get these items put away, and then I'm going to go ahead and start this oil diffuser that was sent to me. And it has 3 time settings. It has 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hours. And it also has different light settings. I will leave a discount code down below if you guys are interested in this one.
Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. together. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I would.
And that is it for this cleaning video. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and have a good day. Bye.
I would get up again.